If you are a personal trainer trying to build your online coaching business and you think you need a website, I'm going to show you exactly why you don't need a website and you can get started literally today for free without any cost. Unlike most YouTube how-to tutorial videos, I'm not gonna go in a step-by-step format. I'm just gonna show you some examples of what I did and some of my successful clients. And that way you get a bit of an understanding of how you can apply the same principles to your coaching business. Because sometimes how-to videos can be a little bit confusing. So the first point is social media. Instagram alone has 1.1 billion monthly subscribers. That is a lot of traffic. And you have to remember with a website, it's only as good as the traffic that runs towards it. So if you have no traffic running towards your website, guess what? You're not gonna make any dollar. And the whole point of you building a website is so you can make more money, right? With that being said, you need to set up your Instagram profile sort of like this. I'm gonna break down this screenshot of my profile so you can see how this almost operates like a website and a business card at the same time. First things first, my name, pretty clear, and the name of my business. And you can see what I do as a business coach. For you, it'd be like a health coach, fitness coach. It says what I am, and then it also has a mission statement or my promise. As you can see here, my promise is to help personal trainers go from 0 to 5K through online coaching. It's what we call a QER, a quantifiable end result. So again, you would need to have something similar to this with your program. And this is why knowing your niche is really important. I then have a solid call to action, and then I have a link to a giveaway. It's called a lead magnet. If you're experienced as an online coach, you know what that is. If you're new as a PT, a lead magnet is where you just give something away. That is a link to my lead magnet. And then on top of that, I use Instagram story highlights, sort of like how someone on a website would have testimonials, an about us section, links to a podcast, all that kind of stuff. I use my highlights for those things. So literally my Instagram profile is my website, and I have the opportunity to have access to some of those 1.1 billion active users. I wish I could have all 1 billion, but I can't. So that's one piece of the pie. The next piece of the pie really is obviously posting consistently. If you go down my page, you will see that I'm posting every single day of the week. Why? Because the more I post, the more engagement I get, the bigger my brand becomes, and eventually I'm gonna get one viral post. I have one viral post on IG, so the more virality I get, the more I have an opportunity to monetize that audience. So that's why. And the more you post, the better quality your content becomes. Like, look at this video. It's very high quality, it's nice, it could be even better. My background's not that special, but over time, it gets better. So you need to make sure that you just start posting. Use TikTok to learn the latest trends. Trust me, TikTok is where all the trends start, and then they migrate to Instagram in the next 2 to 3 weeks. So if you're early on TikTok, you don't even have to use it. I use TikTok for research purposes. I do have 45K followers, but I use TikTok to learn about what's popping in the coaching space, and then I just bring it over to IG and create it in my own way. So that's another thing. And at the minimum, you should be posting at least 3 to 5 days a week. If you do that, you'll be fine. Now, the next part of this process is my booking page. So you can see here as a screenshot, if you've got a booking page, you pretty much don't need a website as long as you have a opportunity to connect with people and convert them and send them this link. Essentially, people can book in a time slot to talk with me during the week over Zoom or Microsoft Teams, and it's a lot more professional than having to like manually go back and forth like, hey, are you free then? Are you free then? Are you free then? No, let's just get it out of the way. Here's the link, let's go. Hopefully this is making sense as to why you don't need a website. So far we've shown you 2 other things, but now I've got one more thing that I think you need to be aware of, and that is email marketing. And specifically, I think you should be using MailerLite. They are not paying me, I don't have any referral codes, I probably should. The thing is, it's free, and that's the main thing for me as an online coach. I need to do stuff that don't cost me money. You can use MailerLite and set up a landing page, which is sort of like a website, but it's not a website because it's literally a blank page. All you ask for is someone's email and name. This is how you can start doing email marketing. And remember what I spoke about before? The link in my bio leads to a giveaway. Guess what? You can use MailerLite to create a giveaway, and all you need to do is take someone's email and phone number and name, and then you can start to market to them. So this is how you can start to think about long-term strategies with your online coaching business. And as a fitness coach, there's so many things you can give away. You know, you can give away a recipe pack, you can give away a workout guide, a glute guide, an abs guide. Start to think on that level of what your audience want, and then all you have to do is market it 1 to 2 times per week. Put the link in your Instagram stories. People will download it. Over time, you'll have 50, 100, 200, 300 emails that are specific to your audience. You will be a success, trust me. And then from there, all you have to do is literally create your training program. You can use TrueCoach, you can use Trainerize, you can use any app you can think of. You can even use Google Sheets. That's how I started. Any coaching app, put it all in one place. You're good to go. Now you've got a successful online coaching business without a website. Hopefully all these examples have helped and shown you the way, because it is definitely possible. And that is all it takes to launch your online coaching business. I know you've probably been told all your life that, hey, to be an online coach, you need a website. But actually, I think for most people, that is to mask their insecurities and their fear around launching their online coaching business, because you think things need to be perfect. It's what I like to call the perfectionist nightmare syndrome. But now we've solved that for you. So if you found this useful, all you need to do is like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I promise you this year, my plan is to give just so much value. This could be an online training course for anybody. And that's really what it's about. So if you want to know more, make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, whatever. Peace.